This question is from GATE Mechanical Engineering of 2014. This is question number 29 of set 1. The question is, using the trapezoidal rule and dividing the intervals of integration into 3 equal subintervals, the definite integral from -1 to 1 modulus of x into dx is. So we need to find the approximate value of this integral using trapezoidal rule. Let's understand this function using a graph. So suppose this is the given function f of x, which is modulus of x. So we need to integrate this function from -1 to +1 using trapezoidal rule. So at x is equal to -1, the value of function is 1, and similarly at x is equal to 1, the value of function is 1. Since there are 3 equal divisions, so if we divide this graph into 3 equal parts, we'll have -1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, so these are the 3 subintervals. So this is first interval, this is the second interval, or the third interval you can say, and this is the second interval. Okay, now we need to integrate this using trapezoidal rule. Okay, so let's first write the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule of numerical integration. So it is given by, suppose there is a function f of x and we need to integrate it with respect to x from a to b. This is given by h by 2 multiplied by f of a plus f of b plus 2 times of f of x1 plus f of x2 plus up to f of x n minus 1. Okay, here this f of a we can also write as f of x naught, and f of b is equal to f of xn. Now here h is defined as b minus a divided by n, that is number of intervals. Okay, so for this problem the value of h will be equal to b is 1 minus -1 divided by 3, because there are 3 subintervals, so this will be equal to 2 by 3. So for this problem h is equal to 2 by 3. Now first let's make the table for x and corresponding value of f of x for these interval, for 3 equal intervals. Okay, so x and f of x, which is equal to modulus of x. So if x is -1, it starts from -1, -1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1. So here the value of x is 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1. Now we can use trapezoidal rule and we'll substitute these values and we'll get the value of this integral. So we need to find integral from -1 to 1 modulus of x dx will be equal to h by 2. So h is 2 by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by f of a. So f of a is 1 plus 1 into 2 times of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 by 3, and this value will be equal to 10 by 9. Therefore integral from -1 to 1 modulus of x into dx using trapezoidal rule is 10 by 9, that is 1.11. and if we use the definite integration to find this integral, so the exact value of this integral will be 1. Okay, this is just for additional information. Okay, so for using trapezoidal rule we are getting this value 1.11. So the answer will be 1.11. For more information you can follow the NPTEL reference lecture number 10, numerical integration trapezoidal rule, on numerical methods and simulation techniques for scientists and engineers by Professor Saurabh Basu of the Department of Physics at IIT Guwahati.